Hello and welcome to Knitcrates. My name is Cody Lee, and in today's video it's going to be kind of a hot mess. So I back in the day used to do all my Knitcrates and I had them so that they were every 6 months. Recently I decided I wanted to do them seasonally, so spring, summer, fall, winter, all alike, you know, all 4 of them. So that's every 3 months. But I did my last one, which was a seasonal one, and I'll link that down below if you want to see what that is. But now I'm in September, so I should be getting September's knit crate, which is September, October, November. But I haven't done one in 6 months, and I only have 5 knit crates. So we're gonna figure out which one's missing. And I opened all of them just to preemptively have them open for this. But this one is the one that came most recently, and he came like this. So I'm hoping there's nothing missing inside of him, which is unfortunate. But let's go ahead and get things opened. I have no idea which month is which, so I'm just gonna start with the one that's already open, basically. All right, so it's super duper already open. I'm just gonna finish the job, and hopefully I'm not missing anything in this one. This is the one that I most recently received, so I think this is going to be August? I don't know, it doesn't say which month it is now on the little cue cards. It just says this month's indulge theme is all about treating yourself to the luxurious yarn that you deserve so that you can immerse yourself in squishy fiber decadence. This month is called Knit Crate Indulge. It looks super cute and I'm actually really excited, especially with the color that I received. I'm happy with the color that I received out of all these purples and yellows and all that. Not my scene. As you can tell, I'm mostly a maroon and neutrals kind of gal. And this one is super pretty. Look at how nice that yarn is. Oh, it's so soft. It feels like alpaca. Let's see what's in you. It definitely feels like hyakaya? I don't know how to say that. Alpaca and some tencel. It's a bulky weight, 125 yards or 100 grams, and wash gently and dry. So I love this. This is super nice. It has the pattern on this, but I'm not going to show you the QR code for downloading that, but I'm pretty excited that I received this one. This is Audine Wools in Mellow. So I received 2 of these little bad boys. Super exciting. And is there anything else in here? Oh, okay, so there is one of those little magnetic bookmarks that kind of flap over it. I actually need a bookmark, so that works out perfectly. Say yes to your new adventure, and it says it on both sides, and I think that is all she wrote. I'm hoping that that was it and that I was not missing something. I actually have no idea, so I might Google it later and post on here on whether or not I was missing something. I wanted things to be a bit of a surprise, so I didn't look up spoilers. All right, so let's go ahead and go to our next one. I'm gonna put that over there. This is last month's haul. My cat is walking around, so I'm trying to not, she's like lurking, as she does. So now we're gonna go into, I'm just gonna pick any, meeny, miny, mo. Let's grab this one. I ripped open the top. I have not looked at any of these, so it is a blind one for me. This is July. Okay, so maybe, I'm assuming I'm gonna go off camera for a second. Eee. Okay, so I'm assuming that was August. This is July, so I'm trying to figure out which one I'm missing. This one is called Mirage, and I'm not sure what all my color options are, but it looks very desert themed. Okay, so it looks like there is a lot of options that could happen. I apologize, I got a new ring light and I am trying to make it work, but it is very bright and very not bright at moments, so I'm working with it. This is super pretty. Let's see what actually came. Oh, I love it. Hello. I love me a good navy. This is gorgeous. It's like a really dark, rich, almost purpley. You are in the color Phoenix. You are also alpaca. 50% alpaca wool, 25% Peruvian Highland, merino wool blend, and 25% Surrey alpaca. DK weight, which is great for little baby sweaters, which I've been making a bunch of those lately for family members. 252 yards, 230 meters, or 100 grams. Hand wash gently, lay flat to dry. Pretty normal stuff. You want to use a US size 4 to 6 for knitting needles or a size 7 for crochet hook. This is Vitalana Oasis. Vitalana is like their name brand, I want to say. I always see Vitalana, so I think they have like a contract with them at the very least. So that's one. Oh, what else is in here? A cozy! I've actually been wanting a cozy for my mason jars, and I'm hoping my mason jar will fit in here. All of my cupware is mason jars because I'm that guy. Mostly because I do protein shakes, and I talked about that in my other channel, but I do protein shakes for lunch, and the mason jars make it so that it doesn't smell if I accidentally leave a protein shake in there too long, like it would in plastic. So I'm pretty excited to see if this will work on one of my mason jars. It probably will. It says sip one, stitch one, which I think is super cute. I'm gonna put him on the side here, and then that is all she wrote. I have 2 skeins for July. That's gonna go over here. We're gonna grab you, and we're gonna grab the card out of this first. This is Weekend Knit Crate. I thought the other one said Weekend too. Oh no, that's why it says that. Oh, that was June then. Okay, so that was June. This is July. There you go. I got there eventually. So Inspirations Mirage was for June. So I'm pretty sure I got all of the summer ones, but I may have missed out on one of the spring ones because I only have 2. We'll see. And this is called Weekend. Those are interesting. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so I obviously got the Uru yarn. This is horrendously bright. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but I'm going to do something with it. Uru yarn Knit Crate Electric. It very much is. I'll give it that. Kaya alpaca. I don't know how to say that. 30% wool, 30% Surrey alpaca. It's like the same as last one. Is that the same type of combination? It is, but it doesn't say Peruvian Highland. It's the same kind of general contents, but it's in a bulky weight? It's in a worsted weight. How is that worsted? Yeah, I guess that's worsted when you get it down and you look at how it is. Yeah, that's worsted. It just feels like so much in your hands. It almost feels like a bulky weight. And there are 2 of them, as always. And how many meters and yards? It is 150 yards, 137 meters, or 100 grams, 4 ounces. Hand wash gently, dry flat. So that was June. And what else else? And what else is in here? So this is just a cute little key ring with a heart. See if I can get that to focus. Kinda, I don't know. Kinda cute. Might gift it to somebody that I know. And then that is all she wrote for June. No, that was July. That before was June. I'm getting there. This is a very confusing knit crate opening, and I'm so sorry. All right, let's grab this guy and see what the thing says it is. This is May. April, May, June. Okay, so that checks out. May 2021, Happy Little Skeins. It makes me think of Bob Ross. Oh, because it kind of has that same aesthetic going on the inside. I think that might have been what they were going for. So, Knit and Crochet Club Aldine Wools Chill. Those are some very nice muted colors. I like that a lot. To me, that's like a lighter tone, so it's more muted. What else? Ooh, yes. Oh, you feel nice. I get so excited about yarn. Basically, this feels so ridiculously soft, and you've got to be alpaca. 90% Surrey alpaca, 10% cashmere. That's why this feels so very nice. Worsted weight. It feels pretty thin though. Almost like a DK. 150 yards, 137 meters, 100 grams, hand wash gently. This is the Aldine Wools by Knit Crate Chill color. I am manhandling this, but it is so soft. So soft. And there again, 2 of them. This is lovely. I'm in love, and it's so nice. I'm actually going to be figuring out something to do for myself with this very soon. There we go, I got there. And then, oh no, that's like, are they earrings? Because there's 2 of them. No, they're little like clasps on them for, I think, when you do finer knitting and you have it in the round on a circular knitting needle. I don't know. We'll see if I end up using that. So that was May, and we have 1 more. We've got this bad boy right here. I sliced him really well on top. The petal issue, I have 0 Happy Little Skein. So this is, that was May, April, May. That was April. That means I'm missing March, or it might have just been in my last video and I dumbed. It could have happened either way. From here on out, it's going to be seasonally, so I'm making it all even now, and it will work. So this is the petal issue. So we have some, I'm not going to show you the QR code. some colors right there. Let's see what I've received. Ooh. Oh, I love this type of yarn. So if you look at it, it's got this braided effect to it, if you know what I mean. Let me see if I can get one to pull out and not wreck the entire thing. So it's got this kind of braided effect to it, and I love yarn like this. It's super structurally like just, it's braided, and I love it. So this is Bloom by Audine Wools. This is alpaca wool, 80%, 10% silk, and 10% camel. I mean, it has a bit of a scratchier effect to it, but it's still very soft. But you can tell that it's like that dry soft that some yarns have. I don't know if that makes sense at all, but I'm in love with this. It's a DK weight. How is this a DK weight and the other one a worsted? I don't understand weights of yarns at all. I never have, and I really want to because it's very confusing. I don't get it. But this is called Delphinium. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that right. And again, there are 2 of them. Something just fell out on me. There are 2 of them, and I love this color. It's really pretty. And I think that's everything. Oh, multiple things are falling out of the bag. Okay, hold on. There's more stuff. This is stickers. Stickers. So You Are My Sunshine sticker. Super cute. And then this really pretty little flower sticker as well. I don't know. I definitely have to say that my favorites are probably The Weekend. Or no, that's Theme Pink. That was The Weekend before. This one was Mirage. I really liked Mirage. My least favorite probably would have to be the Electric. It's a little loud for me. And also I don't know what in the world I'm supposed to do with that. But generally I'm pretty happy with my Knitcrates. This one is so dang soft and so pretty, and I love it. So I'm glad I get my Knitcrates. If you are interested in getting a Knitcrate of your own, links down below. I am an affiliate with them. They send me these so that I can review them, and I love my Knitcrate. I love getting them every month, and I love being able to open them all at once, and it's like a big Christmas day for me. So if you're interested in that and you want to get a discount off, code down below and you can get that down there. In the future, I'm hoping to get a couple of other videos done this month for the turtle series that I'm working on. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. I'm also doing a bunch of left-handed versions of my older videos because a lot of people are really loving the left-handed versions of stuff that I'm doing. So again, stay tuned for all that. Subscribe, hit the like button, notify, get the bell so you can be notified when I post my new patterns. A lot of people are getting bummed out because they're not getting notified. I'm getting a lot of those comments lately, and a big thing with my videos is that when I post them, you get a free pattern to go with it for the first week. Let me know if you like seeing these seasonally versus every 6 months. A lot of people like seeing a ton of yarn all at once, and some people like seeing what the season brings. So that's why I'm kind of leaning towards doing it seasonally, and I'm probably going to do that for the fall months. At the end of the fall months, when I get all of my Knitcrates, I will do them that way. So let me know what you think down below in the comments. It very much helps me out, and I do try to stay in the comments as much as I can and respond as much as I can. That's pretty much it. All right, do all the things, all the stuff, and until next time, guys, bye!